Imagine every time you sneeze, you suddenly wake up in a totally different person's body, no warning, just a chew and boom, new life. This happened to me today. One minute I'm eating cereal, the next I'm a professional ballet dancer mid-performance. It got me thinking, if my memories, thoughts, and feelings are all still mine, am I still me? Or does my body define who I am? This wild situation is actually at the heart of something called personal identity theory and philosophy. So, what really makes you your mind, your body, or both? Next time you sneeze, just be glad you're still you, probably.